Hello beautiful people, welcome back to 𝚏𝚎𝚕𝚗𝚠. Today's video I'm going to share with you this cute bat applique. Without further ado, let's start. I will be using this 3mm hook size and the color orange yarn. This is just so you can see the stitches clearly. Start with a slip knot and make 16 chains. Once you have 16 chains, working on the 4th chain, make double crochet. Then in the next stitch, make another double crochet. Then in the next, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Once you're done, in the next 2 stitches, make double crochet. And in this stitch, I will make double crochet or triple crochet in the same stitch. And in this stitch here, I will make triple crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. For those who are new to my channel, just so you know, I'm using only US terminologies in all my video tutorial. So once you're done with this stitch here, make double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then in the next stitch, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then after that, make double crochet. And in the last stitch, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So I'm done with the first stage, or let's say row 1. Your work should look like this. Now to start for row 2, I will be working on this side. So to get your hook on this side, since you end with double crochet, make a slip stitch in the middle of that stitch or double crochet. Now make another slip stitch. Insert your hook in that first chain from the starting point. Your hook now is ready to work in this side, so just continue making a slip stitch until you reach where you make a triple and double crochet. Sorry, I should have put a stitch marker, but I assume you know where is the triple and the double crochet. So this is where my triple and double crochet. In this stitch here, I'm going to make one more slip stitch. And I'm going to make chain 3, slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook, and then single crochet in the last chain. Then once you're done, slip stitch in the same stitch and slip stitch in the next. Now I'm going to repeat the pattern, chain 3, slip stitch in the next stitch, single crochet in the last stitch, then slip stitch in the rest of the stitches. If you wish to support me, you can send me a donation through my PayPal link in the description box below, or you can show your support by sending a super chat while my video is streaming, or by sending a super thanks. I'm just gonna cut this extra yarn here, and your work should look like this. Now to start in the next stage, or let's say row 3, I will be working on this side. To position your hook to work on the other side, slip stitch in the middle of the double crochet, then another slip stitch in this stitch here. Now I'm ready to work in this side. This is gonna be our last row, so start with 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make half double crochet, chain 2, insert your hook in this stitch here with a slip stitch. So this is how you do your picot. Then in the same stitch, make another half double crochet. Check your work, it should look like this. Then in the same stitch, make another single crochet. So in one stitch you have half double crochet, chain 2, picot, half double crochet, and then single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, make single crochet. Then in the next stitch, make single crochet, half double crochet, picot, half double crochet, then single crochet. The same pattern that we did with a picot. So remember, it's all in the same stitch. In the next 3 stitches, make single crochet. So now I'm in the center. I will be doing half double crochet here. Then after half double crochet, I'll make double crochet in the same stitch, then make a picot. After the picot, make another double crochet in the same stitch and another half double crochet in the same stitch. So check your work, it should look like this. Now we will be working the same counts as the other side. So in the next 3 stitches, make single crochets. Then in this stitch here, make single crochet, half double crochet, picot, half double crochet, then single crochet in the same stitch. And once you are done with this picot, we'll do 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And in this last stitch here, we're going to do a single crochet, half double crochet, picot, half double crochet, then single crochet, all in one or the same stitch. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and feel free to comment and share. And your final work should look like this. Now time to weave the ends. I'm just gonna slip stitch this one more time here. By the way guys, I am trying to upload a new tutorial every Monday at 11:05 in the morning. That's local time. Now in this part here, it's up to you if you want to embroider or sew eyes and mouth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. God bless us all. Bye.